All right, here we go. So you have all four of your shocks built, your shafts put together with the O-rings and your circlip, and now you're ready to put your fluid. So what I like to do, these are bladder shocks. They have this rubber bladder that goes in the top of the cap. In the top of the cap here. So first thing is first is you want to make sure this dome, the dome of this bladder, as you can see, one side is like concave, the other side is convex. So what you want to do is make sure this guy, when it's inside this cap, the dome is facing outwards. So let's get to it. And guys, let me tell you, these are the easiest shocks you're gonna bleed. I absolutely love this. My mp10 truggy has the bleeder screw here, which I hate. I hate that design. So let's get started here. Let's take some of this grease. Always lubricate everything. Get it right around here like this. Take the inside of our cap. Inside there's a little chamfer inside there, machine groove that this sits in. So again, dome facing out. Get it down in there. Just like that. Yeah, you want to feel like it's got some air trap behind it. Just like that. Yep, perfect. Get that to the side. We'll take our shock. Now, before I put oil in this guy, I like to just take it off the bottom like this. Set her down here. Grab the shock fluid of your choice. And what I like to do is just put a little bit in there, about quarter way. Just till the piston is submerged. And now if you pull the piston down, you're gonna see all that air come to the top. Do that a few times. Perfect. Make sure your piston is all the way down. Fill it up the rest of the way. No air bubbles. So when you fill these, you want to fill them to the absolute top until it's about to pour out on you. Now remember, all keeping in mind how you want your shock to perform. So if I were to put less oil in this, I'm going to have less rebound and jounce. The more you want, the more you fill it. I like to have a little bit on the stiff side. As you can see, this one here, just bam, right back out. And we're good to go. Just like that. Couple more drops. Okay. This is where it's a little messy. Get that out of the way. All right. So this cap has a little tiny hole here. This is where all your excess air and fluid is going to come out of. As you screw the cap on, this dome is going to enter the shock bore, and any fluid trapped here, air will escape through this hole. But once it's tightened down, that's it. The hole is sealed off. So carefully grab your shock. As you can see, it's slightly spilling over. That's fine. Get this cap started. Like this. See, as I'm screwing the shock, you see the air, excess fluid is coming out of that hole. And that's it. Tighten down. It does get a little messy. Tighten down. Try to avoid squeezing the shock body because you will collapse it. It's very, 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 very thin aluminum. Let's get that cap tight. Okay. You know. Bam. First, see? Bam. All the way. Perfect. And that's all I got for today. Stay tuned for the next one. I hope that helps anyone who's building their shocks. Have a good one.